Elton Jones. Sorry, Parmesan
Hello,
cheese.
I am Julaine. The rest is not important anyways. Well, Hatcher. And we're... Oh wait, this is my client, or assistant, Ms. Biscolt. Crystal.
Crystal.
What's that? What is that? I don't know. Okay.
Seriously, what was that?
I don't know what it sounded like a person, right? What was that? Was it upstairs or downstairs?
I don't want to find out.
Okay, this was gonna be a funny movie, but now I'm a little
What's
scared. She's like, Bert, let's go. Let's go find out what it was. Okay, you go first, because you can die. I'm just kidding.
He was up downstairs or something. Mike, why is she sitting in the sun when there's like shade there?
It is quite possible this could be our last day.
So, we want to document it.
Okay, we are going to show you though the most annoying sound in...
What is it? Rooming!
The most annoying sound in the world. Ready for it? Alright, and I'm going to show you the bird.
Oh.
The bird. Whatever was here that we didn't know what it was, is probably gone now.
I would
Or
hope so.
it's killed itself.
That's because it could not find a way out of the house in time for our screeches to make it deaf.
I'm really taking my shirt off. Not like no, just like